Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math and Me. Again, this is your teacher vlogger, Ike Adonis. And for today's video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-update ng US tax info sa Google AdSense. Pumunta lang kayo sa googleadsense.com and i-open ang inyong Google AdSense account. So kung nakikita nyo sa aking screen, nandito na ako mismo sa my payments info. And as you can see, nakalagay na dito na your tax info has been accepted. So nakapag-submit na po pala ako ng bagong form para sa aking US tax info. Dahil ang sabi doon, you should update your US tax info before the end of December 31, 2024. Kapag hindi ka pa nakapag-update, ay pwedeng mabawasan ang iyong Google earning or YouTube earning ng 30%. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bago pa man mag-end ang 2024 ay mag-start na kayong mag-update ng inyong mga USA tax info sa Google AdSense. So, balikan natin itong nasa aking payments info. Nakalagay dito, the status is now approved and submitted ko siya ngayong araw lang na October 21, 2024 and it will expire on December 31, 2027. So, 3 years din ang validity ng ating Google AdSense US tax info. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-submit, i-open nyo lang ang inyong Google AdSense and punta kayo dito sa Payments Info. Click nyo lang yan ang Payments Info. And after you click the Payments Info, dito kayo sa Manage Setting. And hanapin nyo dito yung United States Tax Info. Eto, and click nyo lang itong pencil icon. And Manage Tax Info. Click nyo din to. So, ang pipiliin nyo dito ay etong United States. And may makikita kayo ditong Submit New Form. Click nyo lang yan na Submit New Form. And Start New Form. Click nyo din yung Start New Form. Okay, Start New Form. And ilagin nyo lang yung inyong Google AdSense account. And write your password. So, next. So, pagdating nyo dito sa United States Info, pagdating nyo dito, click nyo lang itong individual and then next. And are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Select W-8 tax form. Pipiliin nyo yung W-8 Ben. Click nyo lang yan and start W-8 Ben form. So, pagdating sa tax identity, ilalagay nyo lang yung name nyo, yung real name nyo as the name of individual or the beneficial owner. And optional lang naman itong sunod, kaya wag na. So, dito tayo sa country. Piliin nyo lang Philippines. Hanapin nyo yung Philippines. Okay, click nyo yung Philippines. And pagdating naman dito sa taxpayer identification number, this is optional. So, pwedeng hindi nyo nang lagyan. Pero kung may TIN naman kayo, pwede nyo siyang lagyan yung sa Philippine TIN nyo. So, click natin next after that. And dito, permanent resident address. I-click lang natin ito. This will be your permanent resident address. And fill nyo lang yung lugar nyo dito. Which is dapat the same siya sa dati mong address nung before ka pa mag-update ng Google AdSense US tax info. And if same rin lang ang mailing address, click mo lang itong mailing address. Then next. And pagdating dito sa Philippines and US have a treaty tax or a tax treaty, click nyo ito, yes, I am eligible for a reduced withholding rate, and click nyo yung resident of the following country and hanapin nyo ulit Philippines. Okay, lagay nyo Philippines. And dito sa special rates and conditions, click nyo lang yan lahat. Yung tatlo. And paka-click mo ng tatlo, in every rate or conditions, dito sa una, article and paragraph, click mo yan, ilagay mo article 13 and paragraph 2A. Yan lang naman ang mag-a-appear, kaya hindi mahirap. And sa withholding rate, syempre ilalagay mo yung reduced treaty rate, which is 15%. And sa reason, check mo lang yan sa baba. Next, sa services or other business income, click mo yung Article 8 and Paragraph 8. And sa withholding rate, of course, yung 0%. And again, for the reason, click mo lang yan. And sa motion picture naman, click mo again yung Article 13, Paragraph 2A and withholding rate na 15%. And click reason. And next. And pagdating dito, have you performed any activities and services within the US? So, since wala ka naman sa US, click mo lang yung no and check yung I certify. And next ulit. And sa tax reporting, okay na, dapat naka-click dito yung go paperless. And accept the paperless delivery agreement. So, next mo lang. So, for the document preview, you can click this para makita mo yung Form W8 Band Treaty applied sa'yo. And i-confirm mo lang yan. And click next ulit. And dito sa tax form certification, kailangan i-check mo yan. Eto, kahit wag na. And for your signature, yes, I am the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section. And kapag yes mo yan, automatic mag-a-appear yung full legal name mo dito and i-click mo na yung submit. So, after mong i-click yung submit, makikita mo dito sa payments info after seconds or minutes, kasi mabilis lang i-accept ni Google AdSense yung update info. So, ayan, congratulations dahil na-approve na agad ang iyong rinisubmit na US tax info. Thank you sa panonood. Bye!